Watch the left side. Clear on this end. Keep it steady. Lower it slowly now.
Ribs are secured. Go ahead and move it forward. Copy that. Engaging the jig.
Clear on the left side.
All right, guiding her into the long corridor now.
Approaching the upper level now.
Alignment looks good from here.
Platform engaged. Confirming green status.
We have 3 meters. It should clear the station. All teams, this is Control. You are clear for departure. I repeat, clear for departure.
Drone is approaching the bay. All teams confirm readiness.
good. Confirmed on the tablet. Ready for the next stage.
Check the alignment on auxiliary control circuit servo 4.
Within tolerance, but let's run the diagnostic. Can you check the connection on the auxiliary power unit? Hold on, the schematic shows it's clear. Look at the sensor data here. All right, steady descent. Watch the starboard coupling. A little lower. Okay, it's seated. Secure the clamps. Keep it steady. Watch the alignment pin. Got it. Working now. Set to 50 Newton meters.
Diagnostic complete. All systems green.
Confirming integrity check passed. Secure the panel.
We are clear to lower the top assembly. Copy that. Lowering to position 5.
Ensure all latches are secured before final check.
Power cables locked. Systems check green.
Initialization sequence starting now.
Confirming sensor calibration suite.
Status on avionics.
Green across the board. Power stabilization nominal.
Boot sequence complete. All systems green.
Confirmed. Moving to pre-flight diagnostics.
Navigation systems holding steady.
All parameters in the green. Propulsion check complete.
Stable RPM achieved at 20% power.
Telemetry confirms green across the board. Good stabilization.
All systems nominal. Stability achieved. Confirmed.
The drone is fully stabilized and ready for the next phase.
Initiate evasive maneuver sequence Delta.
Sequence complete. All systems holding steady at 98%.
Test sequence finished. Power down is stable.
Confirmed. Results look excellent.